How do I turn it on?
Press the top button in.
This button?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to day 5 of Vlogmas. My name's Annette and this is Cottoverdi, and today I'm making a bug hotel and I'm just going to show you the processes how I do that. I'm super excited about it and I can't wait to make a nice cozy spot for all the bugs to live in throughout the seasons. So we're going to be using a pallet today and I'm going to be using an electric saw to chop it up. But you can actually make a bug hotel out of anything, any scraps of wood. Bug hotels are basically just a combination of different environments for all the different bugs to live in. And actually our gardens are full of spaces for, well, that's not true. Most gardens will have lots of spaces for bugs and critters to live in, but if your garden's got a lot of hard landscaping or concrete or gravel maybe, then there aren't going to be very many cozy spots for bugs. And we really want bugs to be living in our gardens, even though we may not like them crawling around everywhere or the idea of it. But actually they're really beneficial. They're beneficial to the soil and the insects, and it's just started raining again. I give up with this weather, I really do. I'm going to persevere and I'm going to make my bug hotel come rain or shine. Wish me luck. Anyway, as I was saying, the bugs, they just like different cozy spaces, and I'll talk you through how I'm making the bug hotel, as I said. So let's get cracking. I want to do that. I really hope you've enjoyed watching me make my bug hotel, and maybe it's inspired you to make one yourself. It really doesn't have to have a tiled roof, but we've got loads of tiles left over from when we renovated our property, and it just seemed a cute thing to do. So we've tiled the top. There's also a little bit of slate at the front there just to protect them. It is best to try and keep your bugs out of the wet. Anyway, there's my bug hotel. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.